In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fire crystals in Whiteout Survival. So let's answer the question, what is fire crystal? So these are a special kind of resource in Whiteout Survival that become available when your city's furnace reaches level 30. You have the option to use fire crystal for upgrading different buildings within your city. So how to get fire crystals? So you can get these by weekly cards. You can get up to 52 crystals every week from the shop by buying weekly cards. Just click on the plus signs at the upper right corner and select monthly weekly cards and purchase crystals there. So that is a paid solution. Remember, it will be available when you reach level 30 only. Okay, so the second ways to get fire crystals is by completing flames and fangs events. You can collect up to 25 crystals from here. So this is where you can find the events. As of now, I'm on level 6. So as you can see, more features of this game will be unlocked. So just continue on playing the game. So this is where you can see the events. So as you can see here, I have a lot of things to do. I already completed one task only, so you can continue doing this. Okay, so the third ways to get fire crystals is by completing intel missions. It's also the best way to get free fire crystals in Whiteout Survival. You can also get up to 10 fire crystals for free by completing daily missions or tasks. So just keep on upgrading your furnace. And to do this, you just have to tap your furnace and then you will see here the upgrade options. You can also click this one to do your daily missions. And again, you just have to tap that one and you will see the upgrade options. Okay, so let's answer the questions. What are the uses for fire crystals? The first best use is to upgrade your buildings. So giving them a variety of boosts such as increased productions or damage. So to upgrade your buildings, select and click or select any buildings and then click the upgrade button, as you can see here. And then the cost of upgrading will vary depending on the building and the level of the upgrade. So the second uses is to upgrade your troops, giving them a variety of boosts such as increased health or attack damage. Just go ahead and click on your Heroes tab and then upgrade your troops. And then the third use is to combine. You can combine fire crystals to create a large crystal, which can then be used to upgrade buildings and troops in Whiteout Survival. So to combine them, drag and drop them onto each other. The more fire crystals you combine, the larger the resulting crystals will be. And the fourth uses for fire crystals is to trade them with other players. You can trade fire crystals with other players, and to do this, open the trading pause and select the fire crystal tab. You can then browse the available fire crystals and make offers to other players. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this very informative. So just remember that you can only use fire crystal when you reach level 30. So just continue on upgrading your games until you reach level 30 and enjoy using fire crystal. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.